What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna do an exhaust mod. There's a thing you could do just by removing the removable baffle here. You can change the sound of the bike. So I'm kind of curious how how much different it would be. Just out of curiosity. I don't plan to run it without the baffle because I kind of like the bike quiet. Personally, for this bike, I like it docile, and I don't. It sounds good as is for me. For this kind of motorcycle, I have a loud bike over there. I don't need this to be, like a hooligan. Really, it's my touring bike, so I kind of want it to be peaceful. So, for this video, I'm just interested to see what it looks in there. So I guess I'll share it with you guys while I do it. It looks like it's just 4 bolts. But first, we will just start the bike just to get a sound clip. To get too hot before we work on it, so I'm gonna work on removing these screws now and see what we see in there. So I went ahead and removed the 4 bolts. See there, in here. I'm gonna take the cap off. It's not hot yet. So we have, it looks like a baffle in here. So I'm gonna take off the, let's see. So we removed all the screws. We're just gonna pull this out. Oh, so it is also a spark arrestor. A spark arrestor baffle. I see, okay. So in there, you see I guess the real muffler is in there. So I'm kind of tempted to start it. I don't know if it matters to put this cap on. I'm just gonna put this cap on like this. There's like a hole in there. So I'm not gonna run it like this, obviously. I'm just curious. Wow. There is a difference there. That thing's rattling because it's not screwed on. But the sound is pretty good. It sounds pretty good. Okay, so that is definitely sounds much better, but you do, because of this back pressure that this is making, you definitely lost that back pressure. You probably lose, some throttle feel there, but I think as good as it sounds, I'm probably going to put this back on in here. Like I said, I'm just curious, so I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to show myself and show you guys what actually is the big deal with these things. So that's it. That's the sound difference. I'm gonna put this back on, and I think I'm gonna keep running it like this. If I'm ever gonna change my exhaust, I'm just gonna change the whole muffler. I'm still gonna run a baffle. I'm curious then if the sound is better or the same as the stock, because on YouTube it's kind of hard to distinguish the difference, really. So I guess you guys will find out, So at least we did this video. Next time if I choose a muffler change, we'll find out together. So that's it. Very short video. I just kind of want to share this with you guys. It's a very interesting experiment. Definitely, if you're gonna ride off-road, I guess you need a spark arrestor. That's kind of just being responsible, So, and this is a baffle and a spark arrestor combined. So All right, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. If you guys have any, comments you want to do, just leave it in the comment section. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. Thank you guys for watching.